Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class children. Today we are going to see pair of linear equation in two variable exercise 3.5. Your second sum. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? So they have given us a pair of linear equation and they said the solution is no solution. We know the condition for no solution. So let us write the condition and find out the value for k. Before writing the condition, let me rearrange the equation. So 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Let this be equation number 1. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Let this be equation number 2. Now let us find out what is a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. A1 is coefficient of x in first equation. It is 3. B1 is coefficient of y in first equation. It is 1. C1 is constant in first equation minus 1. A2 is coefficient of x in second equation 2k minus 1. B2 is coefficient of y in second equation k minus 1. C2 is constant in second equation minus 2k plus 1. Since they have given no solution, let us write the condition for no solution. So condition for no solution. What is the condition for no solution, children? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for no solution. So let us substitute the values. A1 is 3 divided by A2 is 2k minus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by k minus 1, which is not equal to minus 1 divided by minus 2k plus 1. Now to find out the value for k, let me compare first the first two part. 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to k minus 1. I am going to compare these two parts to find out the value for k. So compare. 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to 1 by k minus 1. Cross multiply. 3 into k minus 1 equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. Now multiply 3 inside. 3 into k is 3k minus 3 into 1 is 3 equal to 2k minus 1. So shift k term to one side and constant to the other side. 3k, when I take plus 2k to the other side, minus 2k equal to, I have minus 1 here. When I take minus 3 to the other side, it will become plus 3. 3 minus 2k is 1k equal to minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So my k value is 2. Let me compare the other two parts and find out what is k is not equal to what. Now what is the other two part? Here they have given 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to minus 1 divided by minus 2k plus 1. Let us compare those two parts. When I compare again, 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to minus 1 by minus 2k plus 1. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Cross multiply. 2k plus 1 is not equal to k minus 1. This we are finding out only to check k is not equal to what. Okay, 2k. When you bring k from RHS to LH, RHS to LHS, it will become minus k, not equal to, already we have minus 1. When I take plus 1 to other side, it is minus 1. 2k minus k is k, which is not equal to minus 2. So here it is clear that our k value is 2 and k is not equal to minus 2 for this, the given pair of linear equation. So your answer, k is equal to 2. Let us go for next sum. My next sum is solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. So I am going to find the solution for this equation by cross multiplication method. You know that first you have to make the RHS 0 by shifting the constant term to your LHS side. So let me make it first. So 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Let this be equation 1. 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Let this be equation 2. Now find out what is a1. From the first equation I can tell that a1 equal to coefficient of x 8, b1 equal to coefficient of y in first equation, that is 5. c1 is constant term in first equation minus 9. a2 is coefficient of x in second equation 3. b2 is coefficient of y in second equation 2. c2 is the constant term in second equation minus 4. They told us to solve it directly. So let us check what type of solution it gives and then let us solve the equation. So find out what is a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is nothing but 8 by 3. b1 by b2 equal to 5 by 2. c1 by c2 equal to minus 9 by minus 4. So minus and minus will get cancelled. It is equal to 9 by 4. So we can see that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So hence what type of solution it gives? Hence the pair of linear equation has unique solution. So I'm going to find out this unique solution by using cross multiplication. So we all know that for cross multiplication we have a formula to find out x. It is BC minus BC divided by AB minus AB. Then 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. To find out y, it is CA minus CA divided by AB minus AB. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. So you know the values for A1, B1, A2, B2 and C1, C2. Just substitute the values. Now instead of B1 I have 5. So let me substitute the values. Instead of B1 it is 5 into, instead of C2 it is minus 4, minus B2 is 2 into C1 is minus 1 divided by, instead of A1 it is 8 into, instead of B2 it is 2, minus instead of A2 it is 3 and instead of B1 it is 5. Now let us simplify this. C1 is minus 9. Okay, I have written here 1. Let me change it as minus 9. 5 into minus 4 will give you minus 20. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 9 is 18 divided by 8 into 2 is 16 minus 3 into 5 is 15. So different sign, subtract and write greater number sign. Minus 20 plus 18 will give you minus 2 divided by 16 minus 15 is 1. So x is equal to minus 2. So I got x value as minus 2. Let me find out y. Just substitute the values again. C1 is minus 9 into A2 is 3 minus C2 is minus 4 and into A1 is, what's our A1? It is 8. 8 divided by A1 is 8 into B2 is 2 minus A2 is 3, B1 is 5. Now when you multiply, minus 9 into 3 is minus 27, minus into minus plus 4 into 8, 32, divided by 8 into 2 is 16 minus 15. Subtract minus 27 plus 32 will give you 5 divided by 1. So y equal to 5. So now I got answer as x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Let us see next question. Your next question. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. So we have to form the equation first, then we can find the solution by any one of the method. Actually we have three methods. Yes, one is substitution, other one is elimination, and the third one is cross multiplication. By using any one of the method, you can solve and find the solution. Here, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and remaining depend upon the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000. Whereas student B takes food for 26 days and pays rupees 1180 as hotel charges. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. So here we have two type of charges. One is the fixed charge. How many days you are staying in the hotel or you take food, fixed charge is same for you. And the number of days one has taken food in the mess, a charge differs. So let us consider first, let the fixed charge be rupees X. The cost of food per day be rupees Y. So according to the question given, let me frame the equation. Now fixed charge is common. So X plus, see student A. She has taken food in the hostel for 20 days. So cost of the food is Y rupees. So 20 into Y equal to, what did she pay? She paid rupees 1000. Let this be first equation. See student B. So fixed charge is common again, X plus, she has taken food in the hostel for 26 days. So 26Y. How much did she pay? It is rupees 1180. 1180. So let us simplify and find the solution. Now I am going to solve these two equations by elimination method. To solve this by elimination method, I have decided to eliminate the variable x. Let me change the sign, minus, minus and minus. Variable x get eliminated. 20y minus 26y will give us minus 6y. 1000 minus 1180 will give us minus 180. So y is equal to minus 180 divided by minus 6. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 and 6 30s are 180. So y is equal to 30. Let us substitute y is equal to 30 in one of the equation. I am going to substitute in first equation. So substitute y is equal to 30 in equation 1. X plus 20 into, instead of y, 30 equal to 1000. Let us find out x value. X plus 20 into 30 is 600 equal to 1000. So your x is equal to 1000. Take plus 600 to the other side, it will become minus 600. What is the value of x? 1000 minus 600 is 400. So you got x as 400. Right answer. The fixed charge, therefore, the fixed charge is rupees 400, and the cost of food per day is rupees 30. Okay, let us go for next sum. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So first let us consider the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. So here x is your numerator and y is your denominator. You can see that first condition, a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Here what is our numerator? X minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. This is our first condition. Let me cross multiply and frame equation. 3 into x minus 1 equal to y. When I multiply 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3 equal to y. So 3x, bring y to the other side, it will become minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So let me have 3x minus y equal to minus 3. When you take it to other side, it is plus 3. Let this be equation 1. Now this is according to the first condition. See your second condition. It becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So x divided by y plus 8 will give 1 by 4. Again cross multiply. 4x equal to y plus 8. So 4x minus y equal to 8. Let this be equation number 2. Now let us simplify and find out the value for x and y. Now again I am going to solve this both the equation by elimination method. My first equation is 3x minus y equal to 3, and my second equation is 4x minus y equal to 8. Let me eliminate. I have decided to eliminate the variable y. Since both the coefficient are same, I have to subtract both the equation since both has negative sign. I am going to change the sign. Minus. If it is minus, it will become plus and minus. 3x minus 4x will give minus 1x. Variable y will get eliminated, equal to 3 minus 8 will give minus 5. So minus and minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 5. Let us substitute this x is equal to 5 in first equation and get the value for y. So substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 3 into x. So 3 into 5 minus y equal to 3. 3 into 5 is 15 minus y equal to 3. So minus y is equal to 3 plus 15. When you take it to other side, minus 15. Now minus y equal to, what is 3 minus 15? It is minus 12. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 12. Now our answer The fraction is x by y. Yes, what is x actually? It is 5 divided by what is y? It is 12. So fraction is 5 by 12.